You're very funny.
I need my glasses. I need my glasses to see. I need my glasses to see. I need my glasses to see. Are you filming? Okay.
How many do you have now?
How many what? When he sleeps? What do you mean? I'm not gonna go back to sleep.
How many
We have gone through the craziest zigzag. And a zigzag, in case you're wondering, is this. And that's my cousin David. Hello. Sorry, try
Hello,
that.
Tiny Phil. Hello, tiny Phil. Tiny Phil is taking me to a massive.
We're in Reading, and this is how it goes.
Dirty, scummy, it's nice, real nice.
Feel like you fit in everywhere. Hey, why do I call you when?
What you want to call me when you're high?
Welcome to Reading.
Things don't change, Becky. Things have changed. Things have changed this place. This place. Word up, word up. Listen, this place done change.